guys, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Before I get started on what this video is about, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my channel. I have 31 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but when I started out a little over a month ago, I didn't think I would even get 5 subscribers. So I really do appreciate you guys watching and subscribing to my channel, and I hope you continue to watch and I hope you continue to like my videos. So with that said, moving forward, this video is about a DIY Dollar Tree terrarium. So I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, to do this project, I just needed a few items from the Dollar Tree. I needed 4 5x7 picture frames and 4 8x10 picture frames. I already had some paint to paint the frames, and then I also needed some painter's tape, E6000 glue, and some hot glue. Alright, let's get started. Here I'm just removing the plastic from the frames, and I am taking the glass out so that way it will be easier to paint and I won't get anything all over the glass. Next, I got to painting the frames, and it took me 3 coats of paint on the fronts and 3 coats of paint on the back to cover up all the black. About halfway through the project, I realized it probably would have been a little smarter to use spray paint and spray paint the frames. So just a tip for if you guys want to try this out, definitely use spray paint for your project. It'll go a lot quicker. After the paint was dry, I just put the glass pieces back in and secured them. Alright, the last step was to attach all the frames together. I started out with the 8x10 frames and made a base out of those. I ended up attaching them with hot glue. I was going to use the E6000 glue and painter's tape to hold it all together, but I was too impatient to wait for it to dry. So the hot glue was quick and easy, and it worked. After the base was done, I took the remaining 5x7 picture frames and I attached those to the top to make a roof. These are some items that I already had around the house that I had purchased a while ago from the Dollar Tree, so I decided to make an arrangement for the terrarium.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.